Okay, and you can be approached by HR department if it is directly approaching by employer. There's an HR department and they approach you directly to contact you. This is a quick way to get into work. Okay, if the company approaches you directly. Another way is recruiter approaches you, then talks to you, finds out about you more, then forwards your CV to the company, and he's the middleman. So in each and every single step, he's in the middle. How was your interview? How did it go? How long did it last for? And whatever you offer, you get, it comes through him. So he's in the middle everywhere. And they get commission from the employer. They won't charge you as an applicant. In any case, either contract or in contract as well. Sometimes if you go through agency will take not from your wages. Before it comes to you, they will take it. So once contract day rate, what's been signed for the person is say 300. The agency is taking 150 cuts between, and the main employer is paying altogether 450. Okay, 150 is gone, and he gets 300. That's how it works. If there's agency in the middle. And LinkedIn is another very good, strong platform for you to be noticed in the market. So what you put in the CV, put the same thing on your LinkedIn profile. How many of you have LinkedIn profile? Yeah. No. Yeah.
I need to update. I've got my old jobs and stuff on it, so I need to update.
Yeah. Okay. So let's quickly show how the LinkedIn profile looks like.
These slides, will you send them to us?
Yeah, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Yeah. I will send in the email on WhatsApp as well. You can go through it.